Just a moment. Recording about to start.
Recording started.
Mm.
Right now, I'm taking for the outside of the component. You have any challenges is there, you can take the own components for your own branding or own print and writes. It is the very good opportunity. Everything is the do components. Then after that, it is the components. I will come to the components, how to manufacturing and manufacturing times. And it is the time, it is components, that person is who is the giving the order, that person is should be asked to the time, but don't forget that time, because you have time to give in, is also giving the, is also assembled to the same customer to earlier. So don't miss about the time. You can continue as the processing. You can tell the before that time. You have to finish it 1 month, but you can tell the 40 days, because of manufacturing is the major complications is there, because sometimes workers is not coming, sometimes power issues, sometimes major issues, something is the maintenance, like that. You have a one idea that component how many days is finished. That why I'm saying, before you have a component, before that if you take component 10 days, you can tell me 15 days, because very easy to dispatch schedule. That is the major thing of the top component time schedule. And moreover, if you're doing the job, if not finished, his customer is calling, but you definitely answer that call, saying like that also, sir, it is okay, then how many days it is finishing for the 2 days extra, like that you can say everything to customer, because he's also given to your components, trusting you. So next, it is the hiring of the employees. So you can choose the best peoples to hiring of the employees to your company, because you not see the technicals, or you not like that. ఒక పర్సన్ చూసుకునేటప్పుడు మీరు అతని లైక్ దట్ స్టడీనే చూడకుండా అతని టెక్నాలజీని కూడా చూసుకోండి. ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఇస్ ద some persons is not study is the very poor, but is technically very it is technically very good person. So you can take the technical issues also. Don't see the it is the percentage everyone, because percentage is giving for only book knowledge, but right now is the book knowledge more, not the enough of the technology. Everything is the technology also, everything is needed for the technology. Then after that, major issue is the you can choose the one component which is your satisfaction of the component. How do it is the like that I have a manufacturing, I have a manufacturer of the aerospace and like BDL components also. Some people is looking for the another component, some people are looking for the another component. Before that you start in the business, which component you which type of business you start up. Not like that CNC, you have engineers, everything is do wonders, like that fabrication, manufacturing, everything like that. You can do any business, but you can choose the first of the business. What you will choose, I will do which business I will do, like that automobile, manufacturing, fabrication, like that anything. But you can choose the first of the business, what kind of business I will do. So you can do that business only. So what is the next? I think that is more than enough.
Okay, sir. So now, very good and nice presentation. And sir, I have a question.
Yeah, sure.
So, what are the skills required from a fresh graduates in present industry?
Yeah,
Basically,
present industry. Yeah, sir. Present
uh,
industry is the basically I'm telling everything is AutoCAD is not learned because I don't know about is not lesson not learn AutoCAD because everything is the going for the AutoCAD like the drawings. Anything is the 2D drawings. Everything is right now also using the AutoCAD. But so many people, sir, I want learn for the CATIA and CAD like that is saying. I don't know exactly, sir. Why? Because sir, I don't know.
mm. And one more thing, whatever the quality controlling, is there any uh, quality people are observed while approaching the fresh graduate
Yeah,
in your
sir. No,
experience?
no, and it is not finished for the. It is the software, sir. It is AutoCAD and Unigraphics and
Mm,
CADIA for the CAD courses. And CAM
mm,
means right now using the. Some people are using the Delcam. Some people are using the Unigraphics and
mm,
MasterCam. Because I will tell you for the manufacturer right now,
mm,
it is the very freely to manufacture the component. It is the
mm,
MasterCam and Delcam is the very freely for working.
mm,
Unigraphics also is before that I'm using 2004 of the Unigraphics, but it is not. But is some complications is there. So you can learn for the manufacturers, Delcam
mm.
and Mastercam.
And what are the opportunities in the CNC technologies if the student
Yes,
learn the
yes,
CNC specialist special
yeah,
program?
sir. I will tell you, sir. Right now, I'm seeing so much people of the BTech, but is coming for joining for only 6 months, sir.
Mm,
Basic knowledge because opportunities is there but
mm,
students is still not there is work to interested because this startup giving to the less salary, sir,
mm,
but is seeing is coming at approximately 3 to 4 months training. After that
mm,
he has a better job to another place on the
mm,
on the best salary, but
mm,
his experience 6 months is not considered every company.
mm,
So very good opportunities to the only for designers, sir. Not my. It is the NC programmers is not taking the freshers.
mm.
You know also everything also is the mechanical
Uh,
industry like that. Trainee programmer also. I am taking the trainee programmers.
mm. And my question is, suppose
Yeah.
if any graduate who is interested to start their startup in terms of the starting one unit of CNC
Yeah. Okay.
technologies like
Yeah, okay.
um, CNC milling is there by taking the job. Ancillaries are there in our Hyderabad like
Yeah.
BHL, DRDL. Huh?
Yeah.
Is there any supporting of the one opportunities to run his startup by establishing the small unit with
Yeah.
one CNC milling machine?
Yeah, sir. It is
Mm,
opportunity is not given to the directly BHL and DRDO and BDL also not given to the directly for the one company because startup means you don't know about your work also that one. So you can implement the first your start of the company. You can take the third party orders like that.
mm,
I have a own order of the like that HL and BDL. But after that, you can take the first similarly I will tell you. First you can start up the one company. Prove yourself within two years because so many people seeing that government company. It is the bank transactions and what you components you are doing. It is the what is the process of the components. It is like that. I have taken the one component is third party
mhm,
how to maintain the DCs, how to product, how to planning, and
mm,
how to the quality and dispatch schedule. In
mm,
case quality, you can reject the component or NCR non-confirmation report. It is the
mm,
means component is it is okay or not. I don't know exactly. It is a NCR raising.
mm,
Like that is seeing the total your records. After that, you can go for the registration in government sectors
mhm,
is once coming the your sector your company is asking everything you have a ISO registrations you have bank statements before
mm,
that which components you're doing and which type of your component is doing how to work that before that is you have any plan schedule like that is asking sir everything is once you can go for the government sectors you have a department individual departments and not for the one CNC is not good not through go for the government sectors because
mm,
lot of machines is you asking about conventional he is asking Bancha, conventional lathe, CNC milling, CNC lathe, and wire cut and EDM also. Because he has he has taking one component, you can finish the only on your company, sir. But so many people also giving outside, but government sectors is going looking like that, sir.
And so I think is there only CNC technologies flourishing, or any convention also they can start up now with lathe machines and drilling, and parallel in the welding section, fabrication, CNC. Suppose if you integrate the convention and CNC
Yeah.
with the young entrepreneurs, the 3 to 4 members would like to start their startup. So what will be the opportunities?
Yeah, it is the very fine, sir. Right now, nowadays is not all of people is doing the CNC, but forget the conventional, because conventional is very demanding. Because so many people also looking for the CNC, because very happily to work that. No risk,
Yeah.
no risk factor. It is the only for program basic everything after that one. So
Okay.
convention also right now is the very good opportunity. But engineering skills you can develop the company, but not for the you have to work it that conventional, because you can start up the conventional also very good, sir, and less amount also you can start it. Conventional means like that you can start the CNC like that 30 lakhs minimum investment of the CNC. But you can go for the conventional. It is the better to within 15 lakhs, sir, minimum 15 lakhs. It is
Okay.
start of the
And what is the minimum budget required to start a startup with conventional plus CNC machines?
it is the more than it is the you are interested, sir. Right now you have choose to the second hand machines or new machines. Second hand machines also is going good.
So, but how much the government is funding? What is the percentage of the like MSME?
It is the government is funding like that, sir. I will tell you about that one. It is the you can choose the first industrial zone, because you have not in industrial zone, you have not come to the subsidy. You have selecting the residential zone, it is not come to the subsidy, sir. It is approximately is giving the it is given by cost by is differences, sir. Differences is there. Minimum is the 30% is giving the MSME.
And what are the challenges faced by the entrepreneurs?
Yeah, I will tell you that is I am facing the big of the first time, sir. I am doing job time, so I am so happy that time. After that, I am choosing
after becoming the entrepreneur by startup, through startup, then you started it.
I am starting time, sir. Riskily, I am facing about financial problems, sir. Major thing of the financial problems. So, what is the financial problems? I am doing the jobbing time. Definitely, is come salaries are on the first. But if I if I start up the new company, definitely is not come the returns of the within 4 months, sir. Because within 4 months is the investing start, only for the investing. But 4 months is the only investing. Everything is the investing, sir. After 4 months, you have written started.
Oh, very good.
So wait for 4 months, but don't lose your self confidence. That's more than enough, sir. It is the more important, sir.
That is required. Yes.
Because you have lost your self confidence. You have never do job also, sir. After that. My family people is saying like that, sir. Only you have a good job. Why are you resigning and why have startup? Like that, I am saying my family peoples. No, I am interested to start up the job. I'm not interested about the job, so I will newly started the company. Like that, I am saying. By my brother-in-law is there, sir. He's the big shot of the Hyderabad. So he's saying like that. If you start the company, okay, then happy. But you don't go back. If you come back about that one, you life is very like that. Your life is spoiled on the day, because you not go for the job and not get it for the business. So you can face everything challenges. That is the challenge. Next, you have better income is the incoming is coming. So you don't take the luxury.
Mm.
First, you can improve your company only, because luxury means I have a car like that. You don't show about that one. You can implement only for that one. That is the major challenge, sir. Right now, so many people are luxury.
But you
I
should
have
balance the
yeah
company
more
requirement and also.
major thing, sir. That is the major thing.
So now I request all the students, all the participants, please do interact with the Upinder sir. Okay. So now you can ask the questions.
Everyone ask the questions.
Please, dear students.
Students, utilize the opportunity given.
Fourth year or third year students or second year.
I think fourth year students already I know, sir.
Mm.
Because Baha is running.
Mm.
Everything is no company also.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning.
Sir, what is the investment required for the startup, sir?
It is the startup means which kind of business you choosing?
Sir, like manufacturing.
Yeah, manufacturing means CNC or conventional.
CNC, sir.
Yeah, it is the CNC. It is investment is the approximately for the machine cost is 24 lakhs right now. It is giving the subsidy also like that. You can go for the small. It is go for the 600 by 600 by 500 by 500 machine size. Table size is the. Approximately it is the 24 lakhs investment, and tooling and establishment cost is approximately 3 lakhs. More than 28 lakhs is the enough for that one.
Okay, sir. So for conventional, sir?
It is a conventional means right now is nowadays is conventional is the it is a good thing, but engineer will be not do the job. Engineer will be not doing the machinery. So definitely you need a manpower of the conventional. You have CNC, no manpower needed for that one, because you have a programming knowledge. So you can do the operating also within 2-3 months training. But conventional means very risky factor of the conventional. So it is the definitely you want your workers, that one is a conventional. So conventional is the very less investment, but manpower you need required so much lot of the manpower. Conventional means like that 5 to 6 lakhs is more than enough to conventional start.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah, welcome.
Next. Okay, I think Raghu,
Sir.
shall we end the session?
Oh, yes, sir.
Anybody is there? Any student want to interact?
Students, anybody is there having doubts?
Any
Uh,
lab doubts? Any lab doubts?
yeah.
Use the opportunity given.
So it is an interactive
Third year.
session. You can interact.
You can ask anything also. For manufacturing only.
Sir, good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Sir, this is Jayant Reddy, sir.
Yeah, hi Jayant Reddy.
Sir, in present situation, what are the best startup ways or startup companies which has more popularity, sir? In which way?
Like the technical or non-technical, you're asking about that one.
In technical, sir.
Yeah, it is technical. Right now is all of the people choosing for it is the CNC, because everything is can do the CNC. And
Okay,
right now is some people are choosing for the Dyson modes.
sir,
Dyson
right
modes
now
is
about
like you have any Dyson modes idea. Without any investment, you can do the start of the business.
okay, sir. What are the features in robotics, sir? In robotic startup and business.
Yeah, robotic is the nice to start up. Is the good technologies about of the robotic technology. After CN, it is right now I have a manufacturing unit in CNC, but right now is some people are using also robotic technology in CNC also. Like that multi-axis also using. I have a only 4th axis machine, but we are using 7th axis machine also. Settings also is robo is comes and it is setting also doing that robo, not require the manpower, but you still encourage the manpower also because you have a graduates. Robotic
Yes,
technology
sir.
is the very nice. Robotic technology is the very nice of the robotic technology, but opportunities, who is give the opportunities?
Okay.
Okay, good question. Next.
Sir, my name is Yen Mono. Sir, I have a question.
Yeah.
Sir, if anyone want to step into the automobile industry nowadays, market is having a demand on electrical vehicles.
Yeah.
So, if any beginner want to do an entrepreneurship in this one automotive sector, means can you please tell, sir?
Yeah, sure, definitely. It is the right now is the, everything is a electrical based right now is the coming for the it is the automobile because it's a very good, and you have any business startup idea, you can take to Ashok Leyland. It is right now is Ashok Leyland and Mahindra. It is good opportunities giving for the manufacturers also, startup manufacturers. Right now he's giving very good opportunity. You have any idea, you can meet him. Basically he's
Thank you
good
very much,
supporting
sir.
because he's basically good supporting also, but major work is the fabrication work is there, like that electrical vehicles, not for the CNC is also doing it, so CNC also is doing, but major work is the fabrication is there because
Yeah.
it is no much work is there.
And what are the batteries? What source of the batteries? Resource for the entrepreneurs, for the startups, young startups. How do they collect the? And what is the basic source of the batteries?
Yeah, sir.
Hyderabad.
Yeah, it is everything. It is you have a startup means like that is a good opportunity is giving, sir, and Mahindra.
Good. I think very good.
That is a nice idea, sir. It is
Okay,
the
next.
that
Very good question, Monu. I wish you all the best. I think you better to start, Monu, with the
it is the better.
Yeah.
It is the better.
Yeah, we can start with e-bikes, e-scooters. E-bikes starts with a small venture. Later on, you can go for the four-wheelers. Okay.
Yeah, it is it is nice question and nice idea, sir.
Yeah, this is what we want the entrepreneurs. We want the startups. Okay, next. Anybody? Okay, I think now the next class is there, sir.
Yeah.
Mr. Raghu,
Sir, okay.
you
you
can start. You can
Okay.
start, propose vote of thanks.
Okay.
Then. Okay.
Sir, good
Thank you,
afternoon, all.
Upendra Reddy.
Myself, Raghu,
Yeah.
assistant professor in mechanical department.
Yeah, hi,
I'm
sir.
thanking the management, Guru Nanak institutions, and principal sir for giving the support in conducting this event. And I'm thanking Dr. B. Vijay Kumar, HOD, Mechanical Department and Coordinator IAC Startups for conducting this event. And special thanks to our today's guest, Mr. Devender Garu, Devired Upender Garu, for spending his valuable time and sharing his knowledge to our participants. And I'm thanking all the participants for attending this session and supporting us. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank
Yeah.
you, ma'am. Thank you for accepting our invitation. Thank you for attending,
Yeah.
sharing your valuable thing.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the great opportunity.
Okay, I wish you all. We have the
Yeah.
collaboration. You do support our students.
Yeah,
you.
definitely, sir. Definitely, I will support to the students.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you, sir.